All right, let's dive into something that's been making waves in the crypto world recently. Thailand just dropped a bombshell. They're waiving capital gains tax on crypto trades conducted through licensed platforms. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a random policy move. It's a calculated play to position Thailand as a global crypto hub. And personally, I think this is one of the most fascinating developments in the space right now. First off, let's break this down. Thailand's new regulation, published in the Royal Gazette, offers a 0% personal income tax rate on crypto capital gains from 2025 to 2029, but only if you're trading on SEC-licensed exchanges. What makes this really interesting is the timing. Crypto adoption is still in its early stages globally, and Thailand is essentially rolling out the red carpet for traders and investors. It's like they're saying, hey, come trade here and we'll make it tax-free. But here's the catch. It's only for regulated platforms. This raises a deeper question. Are they trying to clean up the market by pushing everyone toward compliant channels? In my opinion, this move is less about the tax break itself and more about control. By incentivizing traders to use licensed platforms, Thailand is ensuring transparency and traceability. And let's be real, in a space as volatile and often unregulated as crypto, that's a big deal. It's not just about boosting their digital asset market. It's about building trust. What many people don't realize is that this could set a precedent for other countries. If Thailand succeeds, we might see a race among nations to attract crypto investors with similar incentives. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the 2029 expiration date. This isn't a permanent policy, and that's intentional. It's a trial run, a way to test the waters, but also creates uncertainty. What happens after 2029? Will traders stick around if the tax exemption disappears? Personally, I think this is where Thailand's true challenge lies. They're betting that by then, their infrastructure will be so robust that traders won't want to leave. But that's a risky gamble. From my perspective, this move is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's a massive boost for crypto adoption in Southeast Asia. Thailand is positioning itself as a leader in the region, and that's huge. On the other hand, it's a temporary solution to a long-term problem. Crypto regulation is still a gray area globally, and Thailand is trying to navigate it by offering a carrot instead of a stick. But will it work? Only time will tell. One thing that immediately stands out is the potential ripple effect. If Thailand succeeds, it could force other countries to rethink their crypto tax policies. Imagine if more nations started offering similar incentives. The global crypto landscape could shift dramatically. But here's the thing. Not every country has Thailand's regulatory framework. This move only works because they've already laid the groundwork with their digital asset regulations. A detail I find fascinating is the estimated about $1 billion in additional tax revenue from related businesses during the exemption period. That's a win-win for Thailand. They're not just giving away tax breaks. They're creating an ecosystem that could generate significant revenue in other areas. It's a smart play, but it also shows how much they're banking on this strategy. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about crypto. It's about economic strategy. Thailand is leveraging a burgeoning industry to boost its economy, attract foreign investment, and establish itself as a tech hub. What this really suggests is that crypto is no longer a niche market. It's a tool for national development. So what's the takeaway here? Personally, I think Thailand's move is bold, but it's also a calculated risk. It's a signal to the world that they're serious about crypto, but the real test will come in 2029. Will this be a temporary boom or the start of something much bigger? That's the million-dollar question. And as someone who's been watching this space for years, I'm excited to see how it plays out. What do you think? Is Thailand onto something? Or is this just a short-term play? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this analysis interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Let's keep the conversation going.